Welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing a common issue that many of you may have encountered when working with character encodings in your project. The error message, charmap codec can't encode characters in position 214. 215 character maps to undefined might look cryptic at first, but don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll understand what it means and how to tackle it. Character encoding is a fundamental aspect of computer science, as it allows us to represent text in various languages using unique numerical codes. However, with the vast array of characters and symbols across different languages, encoding can sometimes become a challenge. This error specifically points towards an issue with character mapping, which we'll delve into in this video. Throughout our discussion, we'll break down what this error message signifies, why it occurs, and most importantly, how you can resolve it to ensure your project runs smoothly. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, understanding how to handle encoding issues is crucial for any text-based application. Let's start by understanding what the charmap codec refers to. The term codec is short for coder-decoder, which in this context is responsible for converting characters into a format that can be understood and processed by computers. Character mapping, or charmap, is essentially a table or a set of rules that defines how each character should be encoded. The error message indicates that there's an issue with encoding characters at positions 214, 215 in the charmap codec. This typically happens when the system encounters a character that it doesn't know how to encode, usually because the specific character is not defined within the current character map or encoding standard being used. Think of it like trying to write a word using only letters from the English alphabet, but needing characters from another language, say Greek or Chinese. If you don't have those characters available in your alphabet or charmap, you can't encode them properly, leading to this error. To solve this issue, one approach is to ensure that you're using a character encoding standard that supports all the necessary characters for your application. UDF-8, for instance, is a versatile and widely supported encoding standard that includes a vast array of characters from different languages. Another common mistake is not specifying the encoding correctly when reading or writing text files. Most programming languages allow you to specify the encoding when opening a file. Make sure it matches the encoding used in your project. Lastly, understanding where this error occurs can also guide you towards a solution. If it's happening during data import-export, check your data sources and ensure they are encoded correctly. If it's within your application logic, review how characters are being processed and consider if there's a need to switch to a more inclusive encoding standard. The charmap codec can't encode characters. Error occurs due to an issue with character mapping in the charmap codec. This issue typically arises when trying to encode a character that is not defined within the current character map or encoding standard. Using a comprehensive encoding standard like UDF-8 can often resolve this problem. Ensure correct specification of encoding when dealing with text files. Identifying where in your application the error occurs can guide you towards the most appropriate solution. While the charmap codec can't encode characters, error might initially seem daunting. It's actually an opportunity to ensure that your project is set up to handle a wide range of text inputs gracefully. By understanding how character encoding works and making informed decisions about which encoding standards to use, you can avoid this issue and create more robust applications. If you have any questions or have encountered similar issues with character encodings in the past, please share them in the comments below. Your feedback is invaluable for creating content that's relevant and helpful to our community. Don't forget to like this video if it was helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth discussions on a variety of topics related to computer science and software development. Thanks for watching.